What's up, Universers? So right now, me and my dad just got out of the car wash, and yeah. So what is this? And Animals by Martin Garrix or whatever is playing on the radio. So yeah, this car is always full of dancing and singing to rate stations. Alright, so right now we just came from a restaurant and we're going home, and there's tall palm trees. Aw, it's over. Selena Gomez is on now. It's my lucky day. I don't know the words to this. No. So thanks for watching this car vlog. I'll see you tomorrow with gaming. Be sure to favorite, comment, like, share, and subscribe. So thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.